Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best benchtop sanders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Benchtop Sanders. If you're a regular pro when it comes to woodworking or do-it-yourself projects, you'll love the ease and convenience that owning a sander provides. Instead of having to spend hours with a portable sander, you can smooth and shape with a higher power level by using one of these stationary units. Best of all, they all easily fit on your workbench or while using sawhorses. Number 5. Rockwell Belt/Disc Combo Sander. The sanding table adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees for smoothing out beveled edges. You'll have the nicest picture frames. Quick release tension lever lets you easily change out sandpaper grits. Main features: horizontal and vertical sanding, easy belt changes, heavy induction motor. Number 4. Allwin Benchtop Mini Disc/Belt Sander. Beautifully designed, with found in heavy-duty professional woodworking machinery. Used for shaping, smoothing, sharpening and for trimming parts precisely. Main features: round cast aluminum table, heavy-duty metal frame, 20 VAC quiet running motor. Number 3. TACKLIFE Belt Sander 3x18" with 13 pieces sanding belts. 5-amp motor offers great power to the sanding surface, delivering efficient removal and high-quality finish. Main features: high-performance dust collection system, variable speed knob, power and variable speed design. Number 2. PowerTech BD 4800 Woodworking Belt Disc Sander. 3/4-inch cast aluminum table that provides exceptional work support and tilts up to 45 degrees, precision tracking system, and toggled power switch. Main features: built-in dust collection system, highly functional, heavy-duty belt. Number 1. Porter Cable PCB 420 belt with 8 inches disc bench sander. Cast iron base reduces vibration and helps keep the sander stable during use. Sanding belt tilts up to 90 degrees vertical. Main features: separate aluminum table, dust collection system, powerful motor. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.